Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is all about festive styles and I am really excited because I have 6 gorgeous kurta sets to show you. Each piece in this haul is in different vibrant color, and while all the silhouettes are classic, they are not same. Every look has its own charm, its own shape and its own vibe. These pieces may not be made in pure cotton fabric, but these are the pieces they will never go out of style. And at the same time, they don't feel repetitive either. So whether you love a flowy silhouette or straight sharp cut or something in between, there is little bit of everything here. So let's dive straight into look number 1. As usual, I am starting with the same kurta set. This one is from Sangria and oh my god, I love this set because it is in this stunning orange color with gold tone print that just screams festive. This kurta is calf length in A-line shape with nice flared hem. I really like the V neckline and this gold sequence detail on the neck and sleeves. It is just the right amount of sparkle without being over the top. And this pintuck detail at the front not only just looks pretty, but it gives this kurta nice gentle flair. And it is not limited only to the front, it is there at the back also. That gives this kurta nice flattering shape. And this comes with one pocket also, which we all love, right? Now, highlight for me, instead of regular trousers and palazzos, it comes with a patiala salwar which has elasticated waistband and it is super comfortable to wear. It gives this set such a fresh traditional look. It is a really subtle festive look in this beautiful color. And it is really cute, so I decided to style it with these cute little pearl jhumkis. Can you see? And this wood and gold bracelet set. Both of these are from Street, but I will link the dupes in the description. For the footwear, I picked up Jaipuri jutis and nice festive look is ready. This is really subtle and comfortable festive look. I can totally wear this for temple visit or puja at home or on festive days when we want to look festive and have to finish lots of work. That time we can opt for this. So next one is this kurti and trousers set from House of Patodi, and I love how effortless this one feels. This kurta is really simple but looks so elegant. It has round neckline and front button placket and the prettiest yoke detail in this beautiful contrast yellow and pink color embroidery. Look at this. It has nice square design which gives it just the right touch of detail. Actually, kurta has straight panel design and sleeves are 3/4, but they are relaxed fit with this rolled up design. So overall vibe of this kurta is super relaxed. It is a shorter kurti, straight hem, no slits and sits just above the knees, which I feel looks really structured and chic. But the color combo is what makes this set pop. Kurta is in this bright neonish green paired with the deep olive trousers. Such a striking contrast, but somehow it works. Trousers are really simple and fits well. They have half elasticated waistband and super comfortable to wear for long hours. I styled this set with minimal jewelry. These gold earrings from Seodre. This bracelet, cuff bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, my clear heels. Honestly, this dress is perfect balance between festive and everyday wear. Either you can dress it up or wear casually, depending on the occasion. This next one is 3-piece set. And this beauty is from brand Tavi. Such a gorgeous brown shade with tiny little polka dot print all over the kurta. I think the color itself makes it stand out because you don't often see brown color in festive wear, right? Now let's talk about each piece individually. Kurta is really simple, straight cut with straight hem, which sits just below the knees. And now look at this neckline. This is old tumbler style neckline, which is really unique in current times, so grabs attention instantly. Sleeves are regular 3/4, but they have this ethnic paisley printed border detailing, which matches perfectly with the palazzos. To tie in all this together, they have given this gotapatti lace detailing on neckline and sleeve edges. Palazzos are straight fit and cropped and comes with partially elasticated border. Paisley print on them makes it look really classic. This set comes with this simple beige color chanderi dupatta. It has this nice golden border, understated but looks so elegant. For the jewelry, I kept it same from the earlier look. Same earrings from Ciodre, bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, I opted for gold studded wedges from Catwalk. This set gives me festive family dinner vibe. It is really chic and elegant, and it is so comfortable you can wear this all day. Now let's talk about this vibrant set from brand All About You. Honestly, this color itself is such a showstopper. This kurta is calf length in classic A-line shape. But what makes it special is its yoke. It has zari embroidery in this stripes design, and the yoke shape itself is really unique. It is an asymmetric design with gold button detailing on the one side, and right below that, front high slit begins. Such a chic twist to a traditional silhouette. The slit is further highlighted with gold gotapatti, and zari stripe border is carried over to hem also, which ties in the whole look together beautifully. Trousers are kept simple in same color with partially elasticated border. Super easy, super comfortable. Only they have given the gotapatti detail on trousers hem also, so it creates the harmony in the look. Kurta is made in such a beautiful vibrant color, and design does all the talking. So I kept accessories minimal with these gold tones, pearl and gold earrings, a bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, my clear heels again. This look is perfect if you want something festive, yet modern looking and statement making at the same time. Next up, I have a 3-piece set again from House of Pataudi in the stunning red color. Honestly, nothing feels more festive than rich red outfit, right? Silhouette is super classic, long A-line, and it has old style darts also on the sides and at the back. So it fits perfectly. This deep V neckline gives it a stylish touch, and when you have this gorgeous gold print on yoke and sleeves, it grabs attention instantly. And there is this gold sequence detailing not only along the neckline and front, it is there just below the yoke, on sleeve edges, even on the trousers hem, which adds just the right amount of festive sparkle. I love this tiny button detailing on the front, and just below that, front slit begins. It is such a modern twist to a traditional look. Now this set comes with a same color palazzos, which are flared and partially elasticated. So it is super comfortable to wear, and the flare of palazzo give this kurta a nice layered effect. And these palazzos are really long, so if you are tall and always struggle to find the right palazzo, this set is for you. Dupatta is in same gold floral print as yoke, so it ties in the whole look together beautifully. I styled this look again in gold tones with these gorgeous earrings, a bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, my gold studded wedges. This one just screams festive elegance, perfect for Karwa Chauth, Diwali party, even for a wedding function. Finally, ending this haul with classic black set from brand All About You. Base is really simple with regular straight cut kurta with scoop neck and sleeveless design. Comes with matching trousers with partially elasticated waistband, super comfy and easy to wear. Trousers had silver gotapatti detailing on the hemline, so even if it is really simple, it gives that festive charm. But the real star here is the shrug. Isn't it gorgeous? It is ankle length long, front open in A-line cut with this silver striped design all over. Silver gotapatti detail on the front gives it that instant upgrade to festive vibes. This shrug completely transforms the look from simple to party wear in seconds. I styled this look with silver accessories. Look at these gorgeous earrings. Chunky silver bracelet. The footwear, my silver thong style heels. This one is perfect for Sangeet night at wedding, Diwali card party, or whenever you want to make a statement. That's the haul, guys. I love how these are all classic silhouettes, but so different from one another. From vibrant colors to subtle details, here is something for everyone, every mood and every occasion. Tell me in the comments which look was your favorite. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!